Trouble turning your chainsaw on? You might need a new ignition switch lever. The ignition switch lever is your saw's on-off button. It is a simple plastic lever that has a contact attached to it. When the saw is turned on, the lever pulls one of the two contacts in the kill circuit away from the other and holds it in place so the saw can be started and run. When you flip the lever to the off position, it brings the two contacts back together, which grounds out the ignition and stops the spark plug from firing, causing the engine to shut off. The most common problem with the ignition switch lever is accidental damage caused when the saw is being started, if the saw is dropped, or if something such as a tree branch falls on the saw. Replacing the ignition switch lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll go ahead and remove the top cover to get access to the ignition switch and the choke knob. Now I can remove the ignition switch lever. It's held in place with a single screw. With the ignition switch lever removed, now I can go ahead and remove the ignition contact. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull it away. I'll install the ignition contact into the new ignition switch lever. Now I can install the new ignition switch lever. I'll place the hole in the lever over the plastic post on the saw. I also have the second ignition contact. I'll need to pull this out of the way as I install the switch. And now I can secure it with the screw. And now I can replace the saw's top cover.